What it do, hustlers? It's your boy Drill here, coming at you with another video today. And in this video right here, I'm gonna show you guys how to make some money while you sleep, man. I'm gonna show you guys how to make some passive income. Now, when it comes to passive income, some methods require more money than others, like real estate, stocks, right? So in this video, I want to do some low startup ways that you can make some passive income, because I know times is hard right now, and a lot of us still want to make some money while we sleep. A lot of us still want to make some passive income. So I got you in this video. Now, before we get into this video, make sure you tell Daquan, Keisha, your mama, your daddy, your grandma. Make sure you tell all of them to subscribe to the Black Hustlers Club YouTube channel. And if you're not subscribed, make sure you subscribe to join the family, man. We're a family over here. We're the best channel for the black community on YouTube, in my opinion. We the best channel. But yeah, man, make sure you subscribe and also drop a like on this video. It really helps out the channel and gets the videos pushed out to more people. But without further ado, let's get into the first way to make some passive income with very little to no money. Now, the very first way that I want to discuss in this video to make passive income with very little to no money is starting a podcast, man. Podcasts are becoming very, very popular because we all busy, right? So we want to listen to things while we working out, while we driving, while we just cleaning. This podcasts are very, very convenient because you can listen to them whenever. So I highly recommend you guys starting a podcast, and podcasts require very little to no money, because with podcasts, all you need is something to record your voice with. That's all you need to start a podcast, is something to record your voice with. So you can even use your phone to start a podcast, right? And now is one of the best times because we all stuck in the house. We all are bored right now. Like, I know I'm bored. Are you bored? I'm bored. I'm getting bored of this quarantine. So a lot of people are looking for ways to keep them distracted, to keep them busy, to keep them occupied. So that's where you could come in with your podcast, right? So when you start your podcast, I highly recommend you pick something that you're actually interested in, right? Pick a topic that you're actually interested in, because with podcasts, you're gonna be talking for a pretty decent amount of time, because the average podcast is at least 30 minutes long. Like, I haven't started a podcast myself because I don't really like talking that much. So talking for 30 minutes straight, that'll be a lot for me. I don't really like to talk that much. So if you're a talker, this is definitely for you, because podcasts are very popular nowadays. It requires very little to no money to start one. You can even use your phone to start one, so you can start one for free if you already have a phone. But like I said, just pick a topic that you're interested in. The second way that I want to discuss in this video on how you can actually start making some passive income is creating an ebook, right? So with ebooks, you can do this for free. All you have to do is go on a website called canva.com, and you can create an ebook on there for free. And then you can sell that ebook for $10, $15, $25 if you want to, $50 if you want to. It's really up to you and how much value you provide in that ebook, right? So for me, I'm actually doing this myself. This is one of the ways I'm making passive income. As you guys know, I got the 0 to 100K blueprint, where I just outline all the best strategies that I use to take my account from 0 to 100,000 followers in a matter of 5 months. And if you haven't grabbed that ebook, make sure you grab it. I'll make sure I leave a link in the description below so you can check that out. But my ebook right now is $20, right? So $20, and all I did was create that ebook one time. All you had to do is create the ebook one time, and then it's automatic from there because it's a digital product. So once you set up the funnel and everything like that, you don't have to be there for you to still be making money. So I could wake up and I already have 4 ebook sales for the day, right? So that's $80 right there, just from creating an ebook one time, sharing my expertise. Like, I've actually done it myself. So make sure that you create an ebook on something that you're knowledgeable in and that you actually done yourself. Don't create ebooks on things that you haven't done yourself. But it's a great way to make some passive income. You just gotta put in the work up front, create the ebook. It's going to take some hours to create that ebook, days, even maybe weeks. It depends on how detailed your ebook is. But once it's finished, you're good to go, because you can set up the funnel, and then once people buy your ebook, it'll automatically get delivered to them because it's a digital product. And another great thing about it is you can sell unlimited copies. So you can sell 1 million copies if you wanted to, because it's a digital product, right? So that's the best thing about the internet. there's no limit to how much you can make. So that's way numero dos on how you can make some passive income. That one you can actually do for free and start making some passive income with. Now the third way that I want to discuss on how you can make passive income with little to no money is starting a YouTube channel. I tell you guys this all the time, start a YouTube channel. Now I can show you this better than I can tell you, so let me hop into my computer and show you guys proof that you can make passive income on YouTube. Alright, so I'm on one of my other YouTube channels right now, and I actually have 3 YouTube channels. I got this one, make sure you subscribe to this one, and then I got the Drell Jones one, and then I have a whole nother YouTube channel. So I got 3 YouTube channels currently that I'm working on. And as you can see for this channel, right, this one has over 14,000 subscribers on it, and I haven't posted a video in April at all. No videos in the month of April, as you can see, not a single video. And I was able to make over $400 in the month of April so far. 400, no videos in April at all, and I still been able to make over $400. Now it's the 14th right now. Well, it's actually the 15th. Yeah, so it's about halfway through the month. So if I double that, that's $800 in the month of April. And like I said, I haven't posted any videos in the month of April on this channel so far. But I did post a video today, but it's not showing up yet. So this is from not posting any videos in the month of April so far on this channel. Now keep in mind, I do have a good about 200 videos on this channel. So those videos are working for me. Like, people are still watching those videos, and I'm still making money off of the videos that I made previously, you know. So that's the best thing about YouTube, is you make a video today and you could still be making money off of that video months, if not years down the line. Let me actually scroll down so I can show you guys what videos actually getting me the most money. Alright, so I'm on the screen where I can show you guys like what videos actually give me the most money when I upload it and everything like that. So in the month of April, this video right here made me $95, basically $94.50, and I uploaded this December 23rd. So you can see what I'm saying about videos still making you money months, if not years down the line, because I uploaded this in December and it's April now, and in April that video made me almost $100. You know, by the end of April it's gonna make me over $100. But you can see, so this one I uploaded March 27th. This one, when did I upload this one? I uploaded this one January 26th, and that made me $31 this month. So like I said, YouTube is one of the best ways to make passive income. And if you guys were wondering like, how do you get your first 1,000 subscribers on YouTube, I'm gonna leave a link in the description below for a video that I dropped like last week, where I covered how to get your first 1,000 subscribers on YouTube. So you can check that out after you watch the rest of this video if you want to. And I know a lot of you guys are wondering like, Drell, what if I don't have any fancy equipment, good lighting, a camera, or anything like that? Listen, I started with my phone. I started with my iPhone 6. My very first video on that channel that I just showed you guys, I started with my iPhone 6. The quality was terrible. So just start with what you have right now and then work your way up. So don't worry about having the fancy equipment or anything like that right now. Just start now, and then eventually you will get all of those things. But that's way number 3, that you can make some passive income with very little to no money. Now let's move on to number 4. The 4th way that you can make passive income with very little to no money is starting a blog, right? Start a blog. There's tons of people killing it with blogs. Now this is mainly for the writers out there. So if you love writing, if you enjoy writing, start a blog and you can make some passive income. Now this will require some work up front. All of these will require some work up front, but then after you get it off the ground, you can start making some passive income. Like the same with YouTube. Like YouTube, you're gonna have to push out like 20 videos or so before you start getting traction. Then once you start getting the traction, that's when the passive income starts rolling in. And the same with a blog. You're gonna have to push out articles, like 20 articles or so before you even start seeing traction. Then once you start seeing the traction, the sales will start to pick up, and then the passive income is going to start rolling in. Now, like I said, this is mainly for the writers, and with a blog, all you need is hosting, right? So you just need a hosting platform. Now, there's a couple different hosting platforms that you could choose from. I recommend using Bluehost. Like, I have a blog and I have it on Bluehost. So the hosting platform I use is Bluehost. And with Bluehost, I believe you can sign up for like $5 a month. It might be a little less than that right now, because with everything going on, they might have a little discount going on. but I believe I signed up for about $5 a month. And there's one more thing you need. I forgot. There's one more thing that you need. You need a domain name. So a domain name is going to be under $20. So you can get a domain name for under $20, and then you need hosting. That's the only two things that you need to start a blog and start pushing out content on your own website. And for this, I recommend that you pick something that you're interested in as well, because you're gonna be writing a lot of content, man. And if you're not actually passionate about the stuff that you're writing about, it's gonna feel like another job. You're not gonna wanna write the articles. Like, trust me, I've been there. I started a blog on something that I wasn't interested in, and then I ended up just stopping the blog altogether. So make sure, man, that you pick something that you're interested in, because like I said, you don't want it to feel like another job. You want to be making money and monetizing things that actually make you happy, you know? So hey, start a blog. That's another great way to make some passive income with very little to no money. Now, the fifth way that you can make some passive income with very little to no money is creating an online course. Now, this is like hand in hand with an ebook. You just have to create the work up front. Like with a course, it's going to take a little longer than an ebook, though. I'm not going to lie to you. It's going to take a little bit longer than an ebook. Like, I have my own course as well, and I don't sell it on this channel or on my Black Hustlers Club Instagram at all. I sell it on my other YouTube channel, the Grail Jones one. Like, that channel is more about affiliate marketing and making money with ClickBank, and that's what I got a course on, making money with ClickBank affiliate marketing, right? And that's something that I actually do myself. I actually make $1,000 a week with doing myself, so I can actually teach it. So that's the thing about courses. You gotta be good at what you do. Don't just teach a course on something that you haven't done yourself, because people can sense that. They're gonna start asking you questions, you ain't gonna know the answers to it, and then they're gonna start calling you a fraud, and then it's just downhill from there. So make sure that whatever you're gonna make a course on, you're actually good at and you actually done yourself. But the best thing about courses is that you can charge more than what you can charge an ebook for. So with an ebook, I would say don't charge more than like $50 for an ebook, right? And then with courses, you could charge a couple $100s for a course. I've seen people charging $1,000 for a course, $2,500 for an online course, because with courses, it's way more detailed. You get videos, you can join a private community with courses. It's so many other things that come with courses, so you can charge a higher price. And with courses, it's very little to no startup costs as well. All you need is a platform to host the course on. So I use Teachable. You can use Kajabi. They got Thinkific or something like that. They got a couple different platforms that you can use to host your online course with. But like I said, I use Teachable for that. And with Teachable, it's only $99 a month. But the thing is, if your course is $100, all you need is one course sale to make that $99 a month back. And then from there, it's all profit. Especially if you're not paying for advertising. If you're just using like YouTube and Instagram to drive traffic to your course, it's all profit from there. So that's why you see a lot of people making a lot of money from courses, because it requires very little to no startup costs, and the profit margins on them is huge. It's huge, man. But like I said, it requires a lot of work up front. You have to create the course, make it a good course, and you got to be good at what you do. But then after you create it, you don't have to create it again or anything like that. And there's no limit to how much you can sell, because it's a digital product, and you don't have to physically be there to actually sell it. So hey, that's another great way to make some passive income with little to no money, creating an online course. Time is money, you know. So the sixth way that I want to discuss in this video on how you can make passive income with little to no money is actually affiliate marketing. So this is what I teach on my other channel, is how to do affiliate marketing. So this is where you're selling other people's products and getting the commission for it. So you don't have to worry about the refunds. You don't have to worry about creating your own product. You don't have to worry about any of that. All you need to do is drive traffic to a high converting product. And if the people purchase it, you get a commission for it. So affiliate marketing, I made thousands of dollars doing affiliate marketing myself. And the best thing about it is you can get started for free. You don't need any money to get started with affiliate marketing. You can start affiliate marketing on Instagram, right? So this is what I did. This is how I actually got my start to entrepreneurship and everything like that, affiliate marketing on Instagram. So what I would do when I was younger is I would build up Instagram accounts and do affiliate marketing on there. So I had a motivational page, I had an introvert page, I had a photography page, and I was just selling other people's products on those pages for free, man. And I was just getting a commission every time someone purchased it. So affiliate marketing, like I said, you can build up Instagram accounts. You can do this on YouTube. You can do this inside Facebook groups. You just need a way to drive traffic to the products, right? So that's the 6th way that you can make some passive income: affiliate marketing. This one, you don't need any money at all. Now, the last way that I want to discuss in this video, and if you made it this far in the video, you're a real one, man. You're a real one, because I know this video been kind of long. Make sure you drop a like on the video if you made it this far. And if you're getting value out of this video, make sure you subscribe to the channel as well. Like I said, tell Day Day, your mama, your daddy, your grandma, tell everybody to subscribe to the channel, and let's get this Wi-Fi money. But last but not least is selling your photos online. So let's say you're a photographer, right? You can go on certain websites to sell your photography online. This is one of the easiest ways to make some passive income, especially if a photographer or an artist. Like if you make beats, for example, you could do this, upload your beats to a website, and every time someone downloads your beats, you get money for that, right? So that's an easy way to make passive income from just doing things that you're already doing. And I'm actually give you guys a couple websites that you could go ahead and upload your work to, and if people download it, you get money for it. So they got Pexels, Pixabay, Flickr, and there's a couple more. I'm gonna leave them in the description below so you can check them out. You can upload your photos there and everything like that and start getting money off your work, man. So those are 7 ways that you can make passive income with very little to no money. I hope that you found this video valuable. If you did, drop a like on the video, drop a comment down below any questions you have, or you can hit me up on Instagram at Black Hustlers Club. I'm always down to help you guys out, so DM me if you need anything. If you want to just chop it up, hit me up on Instagram, man. But I'm out. I'll see you guys in the next video.